go in this. What do we have? We have yellow, we have nude, we have... I should do blue on this. Do blue or nude? Nude may be good. Ah, so beautiful. Chamfer is really good. If you miss it, I don't have to worry about it. Okay. That is the collection's number 30th, I think. I am going to pick up the clear. And then I will cap completely this chamfer foil. This one might be too dark. Oh, I'm so obsessed with this. This one, is this one a Plumeria? Is anybody, like, did I say it right? I don't know, it's a Plumeria. It looks like Plumeria, like Hawaiian's colors. And then I have the number 29. It's kind of a blue-green colors from Chisel. If you have something similar like this, I think it looks great too. Can you move all this away? Thank you. My nails fell off on that. Okay, first for beginners, pick up the powders and walk right in where your chamfer foil is. Stop. Can you move the sticker too? Get on my workstation here. We have 1,000 items on the side, so then I can fulfill all your requests. Go back and work on the keyhole area. I always do the 2 beads just for all of you who is beginner, and start playing with ombre, so then you can really easy to achieve ombre without really frustrated. And again, work with the smaller portions. You always can achieve the way you want it. Don't worry about get 1 beads or like 2 beads is work great. 3 beads if you need more than just that. Just get doesn't have to be really crazy perfect, because we're gonna do either we're gonna put some glitter on, or we are going to do some crystal placements on. Looks so stunning. So now I'm gonna cap it, but before I'm cap, I can do a little bit of I'm not using a little bit of touch of colors. I think the collection that I have it right on my side right here. I love this. It's go with everything you want. Just a little bit. I don't want a bigger piece. Just a little bit, just a little hint. But if you don't want it, you don't have to put it in, okay? Just for the preference. Now I'm gonna using a clear to cap right between the green, blue, I don't know, it's like look like a Tiffany colors. might be darker. And so then it's gonna cap everything, just in case that later if you are buffing and filing, you don't have to worry about it's gonna get in to your colors and take away from your colors that you've been working really hard for. I'm so excited today. This is totally different because we are doing a liquid and powder. Also, this is for all the folks who is really want to learn liquid and powder. In the meantime, when you are staying at home, you can practice on this. And by the time you get back to the client, to see your clients, you get all different cool ideas. You already have a great idea, then this is another or additional to add it on for your, you know, is designs that you want to do. Great, so I'm not worried about this. I'm going to shape that. Great. Awesome. I'm going to let it set.